What's up, empires? It's your girl Toya here with another video. Anguilla. Woo, woo, woo. So now, guys, so those of you that were able to join me in the live vlog a couple Sundays back while I was in Anguilla, I know you enjoy the scenery, but I took the time and the pleasure out to make sure I did some little clips, and so this video is all about that, the little clip. Okay guys, so this is sandy ground, as you guys can see. Beautiful. It's been a while I haven't been to Anguilla, y'all. To reach the Anguilla, you can go by the boat or by the plane. This is how we went. We paid for our ticket and now we have entered the boat. Looking for seat. There's so many space you can sit. That's the good part about the boat. You have so many space. There with my colleague again, just enjoying the moment. Anguilla. We reached Anguilla, got off. This is the harbor where the boat docks, and we are heading towards immigration. The ferry takes around 15 minutes to reach, depending on your direction. After we reach, we dock and then we go to the immigration to check in. Now guys, this is a day trip. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for your support always. Okay. Busy doing errands, and in the meantime I decided, you know what, let me just vlog a little bit, and let you guys in on what Anguilla was all about. Anguilla was amazing. I enjoyed it to the fullest, and guys, look forward for the month of November, December, and even for the coming year to see all the travel vlogs I have in store. We have a bunch of small islands around where I live, and you're gonna get to see it. So if you know someone that is interested in traveling to the Caribbean and wants to do sightseeing and island hopping, check out my YouTube channel, guys. You will not be disappointed. Beautiful. Hey y'all. Wow. Full view. Beautiful. Hi guys, here in Anguilla. Woo! Had to take off one of my earrings because It's clip on, so it's burning my ears. But this is beautiful. Woo! We finally reached our destination, and this is me, guys, as usual, having a little fun. You're gonna be seeing lots of that because, as I mentioned earlier, we had to take off the music due to copyright claim. So, guys, bear with me. I hope you enjoy the view. I hope you enjoy the moment. Again, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing, and thank you for sharing. Now, if you want to know more details about Anguilla, guys, check me out on Facebook. You can send me a message also on Instagram or Facebook. It is your choice. Thank you for watching. Right here again, I had to put the video on silent, guys, because there was music playing in the background and I didn't want to get impacted by it, to get copyright claimed. So you will see a lot of beach vibes, but no music in the background or the sound of the waves. So sorry for that, guys. Yeah, this is what it's all about. Like I said, you guys, there will be me dancing away because at the beach bar, they were just playing the most awesome tunes ever. Now, you know, you go on the beach and you're getting all the good vibes and the good music. Someone like me that like to dance, I'm gonna just have fun. But then, yeah, as y'all know, as I said earlier in the video, I had to really block out the music because of copyright claim. So I hope you guys enjoy this video to the fullest. All right. We enjoy our day at the beach, and this is me. I'm wrapping it up, ending the vlog with a little walk, one last walk. And yeah, Empires, we are back at the port, ready to dock. Yeah. End of the day, Jacinth. We had a good time.
Yes. Awesome.
Awesome time. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, share this video. One love from the island, Toya. Stay tuned for continuation of Curacao trip with Princess and myself. All right, one love. Bye.